Chefs. My name is Colleen and today we're sharing with you a baking recipe. It's walnut banana bread. It's a really favorite bread because it almost tastes like a cake, but still is a bread and is easy to make. One of the key things that what I like about the bread is the fact that we're using honey and almond butter and olive oil, so it doesn't actually use any direct butter or white sugar or even brown sugar. So it's got some naturally healthy ingredients, and also we're making this with whole wheat flour and not all-purpose flour. So we've made tweaks to it to make it super healthy. So hope you enjoy it, and as always, we have the ingredients in the description below, so do check it out and hope you like it.
Let's get started with our walnut banana bread. So the first ingredient is, of course, one of the main ingredients is bananas. We've mashed them up. They're pretty ripe. We've got whole wheat flour, vanilla extract, and we've got some cinnamon powder, almond butter, got some honey, almond milk, olive oil, and of course walnuts. Then we've got some eggs. We've got salt, baking soda, and cocoa powder. Now we're going to start with 2 eggs into our mixing bowl, and then we're going to add in the olive oil, and we're just going to put in the almond butter as well. If you don't have almond butter, don't worry about it. You don't need to put this in. It's just optional and to add a different layer of flavor, but you don't have to. Next comes the honey. We're just going to add that in and then continue whisking it with the beater. We're now going to add in, of course, the mashed bananas, and we're going to just mix it together before we go back in with the electric mixer. We're also adding in some almond milk, baking soda, vanilla extract, salt, and cinnamon powder. And we're just going to mix it well and then bring back the electric mixer and whisk away. We're going to now add in the cocoa powder and also the flour now. We're going to take our time with the flour. We're not going to dump it all in. We're just going to layer it in so it's easy for us to mix it. We are no longer using any electric mixer. It's going to all be done with a spatula of any sort. We don't need the mixer at this point. And that's it. So the batter is ready. We're just going to pour it in a lined baking pan or buttered or oiled baking pan. And we're going to layer in the walnuts in the middle and then put in the rest of the batter to cover it, and then put another layer of walnuts on top. And we're going to bake it for 60 minutes for this entire thing at 325. And now when we remove it, we're just going to put it on some sort of a wired rack in order to let it air and cool down for about 20 minutes after you've removed it.